beautiful day! Welcome to the toy construction site. Excavator is ready for a big adventure. Look at all these toys! Oh my! There are bricks and sand everywhere today. Red ball!
Wait! Excavator found something red and round. It's a red ball!
1, 2, 3, so many!
Count with me. There are 10 red balls hidden in the sand.
Need my friends! 10 balls are a lot for one truck. Excavator needs the tiny truck team.
Come help! Excavator calls his best friends. Can you hear them coming?
Here comes Dump Truck. He is ready to carry the red balls in his big silver bed.
Here is Bulldozer. He is very strong and can push the balls with his big blade.
I can push them. Let's work together. Crane is here too. He will watch from high up and help the team.
Team is all together. It's time to work as one big team.
Teamwork builds dreams.
High five, team.
A high five for teamwork. Everyone is ready for the red ball adventure.
Bulldozer, you first. Excavator shows the way. Bulldozer, let's start with the first red ball. Push! Bulldozer wibbles his wide blade to push the first red ball. Can you say, red ball? Look, one red ball is rolling. One.
And another one.
Found it. That's 2 red balls. Can you see them both?
2 red balls. Bulldozer is doing a great job. 1, 2 red balls.
3 red balls.
And here is the third one. 3 red balls in a row. I love red balls. Bulldozer is a very patient worker. He makes sure the balls are safe.
Here they come! 4 red balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. Almost halfway there.
Your turn, Excavator. Bulldozer did it. Now it's time for Excavator to help.
Excavator reaches out with his big yellow bucket. Scoop! Scoop the red ball.
5 red balls. Excavator lifts it high into the blue sky. Into the truck.
Safe and sound in Dump Truck's bed. That's how we work as a team. 6 and 7.
6 and 7. Excavator is very fast and precise today.
Doing it!
Teamwork makes the dream work. Excavator and Dump Truck are best friends. Everyone follow the leader. Let's take these red balls to their new home. To the ball pit.
Red balls.
8 red balls in the truck. Dump Truck loves to carry heavy things.
See the goal.
Crane is watching from high up. He can see the big ball pit. And 10, 9, and 10. All 10 red balls are in the truck. Great job, team.
Almost there. Dump Truck is so excited. He's almost at the big ball pit.
The tiny truck team arrived. This is the home for our red balls.
The pit is empty and clean. Let's make it full and colorful.
Let's fill it up. Down they go.
Slow and steady, Dump Truck tilts his silver bed. Here comes the surprise. 10.
8, 9, 10. All 10 red balls are home. Can you count to 10? Clean. Dump Truck is empty now. He loves to rumble his bed when he is happy. Look how beautiful the playground is now. The team did a great job today. We did a great job.
Party time.
It's time for our happy lineup. Everyone join in and dance with the tiny truck
So
team.
much fun.
Bulldozer is so happy to build with his friends. Teamwork builds dreams.
Bye, friends.
Great job, team. We learned about the color red and counting to 10 today. See you soon.
Subscribe.
Goodbye, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to Construction Vehicles Kids for more fun and learning.